Welcome to EverythingPolarisRZR.com. Today we're looking at the Polaris RZR Bolt-in Harness Bracket Kit by DragonFire. With the Bolt-in Harness Bracket Kit by DragonFire, you can quickly and easily mount an entire harness setup on the stock seat and cage of your Polaris RZR. The kit includes 2 bolt-in tabs for the shoulder straps and 3-inch harnesses, as well as all the hardware needed to mount the straps and outside lap belt. With grade 8 hardware and reliable bolt-in tabs, this kit is the ideal upgrade for added security and comfort. It's available now at EverythingPolarisRZR.com. Welcome to EverythingPolarisRZR.com. Today we have the Polaris RZR XP4 1000 Turbo 900 4-front harness bar by UTV Inc. Hitting those mountain terrains is a luxury made safer and better with the Polaris RZR XP4 1000 Turbo 900 4-front harness bar. This robust accessory is easily the best thing to add to your vehicle for an instant upgrade, which works well with any path you take. This harness pairs with the Polaris RZR XP, 1000 RZR XP4 Turbo, and 900 4-seater. Paired with easy-to-bolt technology, you have a masterpiece at your disposal, which is equally easy to install. And it's available now at EverythingPolarisRZR.com.